Hello, this is your CSR Minute for July 20th, 2009. I'm Erin Collins, and these are your headlines. Green banks are the new trend. Despite the recession, green banks have been opening up around the country. Green banks are designed to aid environmentally conscious businesses and consumers through better loan rates and other incentives. But are banks that specialize in loaning money for green ventures a good business model? We'll have to find out. World Hunger Relief gets new spokesperson. Yum Brands announced that 5-time Grammy winner Christina Aguilera will become the new spokesperson for World Hunger Relief. Aguilera will help raise awareness of the hunger issue by appearing in PSAs, advertisements, and posters. Staples supports the youth. The Staples Foundation for Learning has awarded more than $300,000 in grants to support educational programs for disadvantaged youth. The organizations were selected for their commitment in providing educational programs that help at-risk youth develop the skills and confidence necessary to become responsible adults and community leaders. That's it for today. For more information on today's stories, you can go to csrminute.com. Bye for now.